Hello Misfits, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. I'm doing a skull look today. This is more of a cracked look effect of a skull, also like a smoky effect. This isn't my original work. If you search on Google Halloween skull makeup, it will sure pop up. I have so much content in my phone right now from this Halloween. It's somewhere in there, but if you search that on Google, you'll be sure to find it. As you can see, I did a look prior to this. This will be released sometime in the fall, so stay tuned for that. So with the back of my brush, I'm just really filling out where the hollows of my cheekbone is, where my teeth is, and the hollows near my chin, just so I could find an idea of where to place everything, my teeth and all the hollow areas of a skeleton. And that completes your skull look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more Halloween videos, so like, subscribe, and I'll see you at my next video.